Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And for everyone that returned, hello. You guys, today I am showing you guys a hot deal on the plants. I hope you guys are getting the same exact deal, especially if you didn't get a chance to go ahead and get your seeds started. It is very seldom we run into deals. So right now I'm showing you Bonnie's plants, and if you guys are going to get some things started quickly, this is the best way to go because some places don't have nurseries. Right now they are running 5 for $10 on the Bonnie plant starts. Bonnie Plants has actually marketed a sale. Alright, so if you guys have not gotten started and you're just a small gardener, literally you just have a patio garden and you just didn't have the space to start from seed, this is a great opportunity to get your hands on some plant starts for a little bit cheaper. Alright, so check this out. I'm going to pick up me an eggplant. Look for the multi-sown trays, you guys. Always do this. I recommend this even when you have a 4-pack, 6-pack, whatever. Always look for the little extra ones. That might sound greedy, but guess what? I do it, and hey, I like it, and I make sure if I get it, I'm going to get the bang for my money, all right? So I did pick up this eggplant. It did have 3 of them in there. I'm not a big eggplant eater, so I wasn't going to start it from seed and ended up with a bunch of them. So I went ahead and decided to go ahead and pick this one up from Bonnie. Now this is the Black Beauty, was what I picked up, and as you guys can see, they got the big boys, the Roma. They have here is some rosemary as well, some of the herbs, some of the tomatoes. All in all through the spectrum, I've seen that they do have them in the smaller cups, which is $3.33, and they're running for $2, and they are multi-sown. You're paying for the soil, okay? You're paying for the soil. All right, so here is all of the ones that are going to be $2 and when you purchase them. All right, so 5 for 10. You don't even have to purchase, you guys. You don't even have to purchase all 5. I just purchased one. That was the eggplant, and it still came up to $2. So just keep that in mind. If you didn't want to just get 5 and you just wanted a couple of them, you can still get that deal. Now the plant starts look very, very good. I really like the Husky variety of tomato. This is a Husky Cherokee tomato. They have so many varieties out this year that I've seen, but I haven't seen the multi-packs, which is a bummer because if you person that want to do just a tad bit more and don't have the nursery, like I said, this is a great way to just, pick up you some plant starts. So I hope you guys share this video because this sale will be ending very, very soon. I know, you guys, I actually filmed this 2 days ago, but I've been quite busy on putting out content. But I'm trying to go ahead and give you guys as much content as I can. But I've been super, super busy. All right. I was shocked to see this, you guys, the red ghost pepper. I'm not going to try it because I know I'm not going to eat it. So I'm not going to get that. But it was interesting. Now they did have as well the herbs. I was looking for different herbs. I did go to a nursery and I found marjoram. I was shocked. I was like, oh my goodness, I wanted to get it so bad, but it didn't look good, you guys. It didn't look good. I had started from seed before, but I have had a struggle with it. Don't know why. I even did the broadcast on top of the soil, and as well, I've actually planted it just to see if it was going to come up, and it did not. So I had a struggle with marjoram. Yeah, guys, see yellow pear tomatoes. They look very, very good. This is a tidy treat. This is pretty cool too as well. To me, it almost looked like a 100 tomato. That's what it looked like to me. Now throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some more deals and as well some of the things that if you wanted to just give your garden a little bit of color, I do recommend planting up different varieties out there in your garden. Now check out this 6-pack. Now this 6-pack right here is sweet potato vine. If you haven't got your sweet potato vine, started. This was actually a pretty good deal because some of them was actually multi-sewn as well, and that's what I was looking for, you guys. Just to let you guys know, I always going to do this. If I'm going to buy anything, I always try to give you guys the best deal and the best idea of how to get, you know, more out of your money. Now this one was beautiful. This was a beautiful start. So I don't know if it because it rained and the plants just was like yes to the heavens, but you guys, they were beautiful. They were bright green. Everything was happy, and I was just really thinking about getting this. My mom purchased some from her Lowe's in South Carolina, and I was just thinking about picking up some because you guys, believe it or not, this year I did not start any at all. Now I do have some that has literally sweet potato that sprouted, but I did not go ahead and put it in water and get these beautiful, beautiful plants. Okay. This is a nice pack right here. Now, all in all, they have the purple bell. I was shocked to see the purple bell. Normally, I see the red, the orange, and the green. So to see the purple, that was a new one for me. Home Depot normally will have something that's a little bit different. So I was shocked to see it here. And then, you guys, they have the strawberries. You guys, it's a ridiculous price. I'm just going to be honest with you. $18. No, ma'am. No, no, no. And then I was just looking at a couple of more herbs. Now, they do even have as well some good herbs. They looked at really, really nice, really, really full. So yeah, so they had some dill, they had oregano, they had thyme, they had basil, and they had these strawberries. These looked good as well. But you guys, that one plant for that price was just a no for me. Okay, just a no for me. So here is a next deal, you guys. You cannot beat this deal. They originally are $4.58. Now they're running $2 at the big box store. So if you guys are interested and needed some more soil, go ahead and head to your local Lowe's because they are running a great deal. Now right here, I'm showing you these beautiful clematis. They are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous, you guys. I've been wanting two of them to go on a little arbor or a trellis, or I don't know yet, but I know that I wanted somewhere that I planted one last year, you guys, anyways, for my daughter, and it did not come up. And I planted it from a bulb, and it did not come up. But these clematis are gorgeous, and they have the white clematis. Now they come into these containers. Please take them out of these containers. A clematis can get up to about 5 to 6 feet. So keep that in mind. Some clematis even get bigger than that. But yes, you will need to take them out of these containers. It just comes in the container, but it definitely needs to get out of the containers. I mean, how stunning. The next thing up right here is the heucheras. Now, heucheras, I have the plum, I have a burnt orange, and then I have a forest green heuchera. These heucheras are so pretty because they have such nice detail in their veins. The dianthus, I purchased dianthus this year as well. I have the dianthus going all the way around the sandpit this year. I kind of went crazy with it. I don't even know how many I actually end up planting up. But it is a great deal. I have so many things I wanted to show you guys, but I did have to go ahead and head out into that garden and get it done. Here is some impatiens as well. This is some foxglove. They're gorgeous. They give your garden a nice bit of height. Now, I was thinking about getting this to go inside of my wheelbarrow, inside of the sandpit. I think it would be really, really pretty. And then right here is a begonia. The begonias are gorgeous too. Guys, I don't see anything wrong in any flower. Most flowers are just stunning. You got impatient, some patients can deal with the sun a little bit more and not burn. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now.